This is a wood chopping competition in Australia. Yeah, it's an actual sport, and it's pretty awesome to watch. Each person stands on a block of wood and chops through it as fast as they can. It takes real technique, balance, and control. Looks simple, but doing it clean and quick takes serious practice, and honestly, it's kind of addictive to watch.
Do all they can. Now also the scribblers doing